What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be showing you one method on how to fix the Fortnite ring glitch for Fortbytes 4, 67, 70, and 89. I cannot guarantee this will work for everybody, but it worked for me, so I hope it works for most of you as well. Before this method, I was only able to see one ring that was sticking in the ground at Snobby Shores. Alright, so what you want to do is go to the settings and change your region. Normally I am NA East, and changing mine to Europe worked for me. If one region does not work, I encourage you to try a few different regions. Also, I left the first game I played because my rings did not show up at first. I then played a second and they showed up that time. So again, if you play one game and they don't show up, I encourage you to try a couple more games before trying another region. Once you apply those settings, you want to change your game mode to Team Rumble and make sure that it is no fill. That is pretty much all you need to do. Now for Fortbyte 4, you need to equip the Plasma Trail contrails, and then you should have 4 circular rings that shimmer pink and blue above the circle in the middle of Loot Lake. When you jump out of the bus, make sure that you stay up high because the first ring is pretty high up. From here, you should see 4 rings zigzagged that you can dive through, and the last one will contain Fortbyte number 4. Since I already got the Fortbyte, I can no longer see my rings, but I can show you where they will be. Now for Fortbyte 67, you need to equip the Retaliator glider, and then you should have 4 spinning triangular rings that start right here and go under this sky base, with the last one containing Fortbyte 67. Now for Fortbyte 70, you need to equip the Vibrant Contrails, and then you should have 4 rings similar to those for Fortbyte 4 above the ship right here in Lazy Lagoon. Again, you need to stay up high, and there will be 4 rings to zigzag through, with the last one containing Fortbyte 70. Finally, for Fortbyte 89, you need to equip the Scarlet Strike glider, and then you should have 4 spinning triangular rings similar to Fortbyte 67 that curve in the same shape as the rock bank in front of Snobby Shores. These rings are pretty low to the ground, so dive down, and they should be about right here, with the last one containing Fortbyte 89. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.